Hi, my name is Veksu and welcome to our living room, or my parents' living room, but that's okay. Here you can see photos when I was child. But hey, today I want to tell you more about this camera backpack. I bought this camera bag maybe 1 month ago, and you can find a lot of different backpacks, and you don't know what is the best for you. And I watch review videos, I watch review articles and everything, and it was even harder to find that good bag. And camera backpacks are quite expensive, over 100 euros, maybe over 300 euros. That's a lot of money, and I think that I can save a lot of money if I watch and read reviews. But nope. At the end, I just start searching different web shops, and finally I found this backpack. Tamrac Corona 26 liter backpack. And this is one of the best backpacks for that price. What I found. This was 130 euros. It's a quite cheap camera bag, and these have very good features in it. And now I want to show you all those things, and you can decide is this a good bag for you. So let's start. Here we have straps for tripod. These are removable. These are removable straps. Strong, good straps. And then maybe we watch this one first. So here is room for your snacks and smaller camera gear. Here is a lot of room. This is a Canon 650D, and mount for microphone, a remote control, and polarizer filter. My microphone and a spare battery to GoPro. And this is hard bottom, hard floor, and your stuff can fall here, because it's annoying if you put your snacks in here and then you can find them here. So that was one of the most important thing what I want to have in my camera bag. This separator, and this is also removable. You can remove this if you want, but I keep it there. And then we have room for our camera gear. This is important, of course. I think Tamrac make 20 liter and 26 liter and maybe 35 liter backpacks. So I take 26 liter because I need two cameras almost always with me. So this is a great choice. Here I have 15mm 1.8 EF lens and gaps. Is pocket for smaller stuff. Tripod. And rain cover. This isn't waterproof backpack, but this material is it's a slightly water repellent, so you can use it in the rain. I have used it in the rain and all good. And this is one of the best features in this camera bag, because you can assess this room on the both sides, here and here. Here is room for my Canon EOS R with 24 to 70 mm 2.8 lens. I have put these separators here, so I can put my cleaning kit and other stuff here. They fit here well, and if you want you can just remove these all separators and you have just normal backpack. Okay, oh I almost forgot this. Here I have lens bin, memory cards and spare battery. And this is good place for spare battery, because when you are taking photos or video, you just can open this pocket and change your battery and put it back, and that's it. Let's go take some photos. And here I have memory cards, and my tripod was here, and here I have my second camera. It's Canon SX70HS. So here's a lot of room for my camera here. And then good ventilation, and you can find one maybe pocket here. I don't know is this pocket, but maybe you can put some clutches here. Very nice. I like these straps, white and soft but still very strong straps, and you can put something here and here, and you can take this off also if you want, or you can use like this, only one strap. My backpack is so heavy that I had to use both at the same time, but here we have room for laptop. This is my notebook, and this is a big pocket. My 15.7 inch laptop fit there, really. It's fit here, in here perfectly. So if you have big laptop, you can just put it here, and maybe you can put some clothes here. I have one teacher and my underwears here. This is very good backpack because you have so much room for your stuff. Maybe we have to put this back. If you have low budget and you search good camera bag, this might be the best one. If you have to use two cameras, or you want to have a lot of room for your stuff, and maybe lighter one, maybe 20-liter version of this could be a good choice. And this is very lightweight. I can hold it easily with one hand. So this isn't heavy, and when it's empty it's just maybe 1 1.3, I don't remember, maybe 1.3 kilograms. Maybe we have checked. It is 1.6 kilogram. And that's not bad. I hope this video will help you if you're searching camera backpacks. And that's all for this time. I have to tell you one more thing. This is my grandmother's rocking chair, and this is very good rocking chair, handmade in Finland. Oh, so good. But see you in the next video, and bye. It's snowing again. I'm gonna be indoors today.